Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Leetcodes. So this time we are going to solve one question from Leetcode, and tonight's question is finding three-digit even numbers. Here we will first understand the problem, break it down with logic, and then write a clean and efficient Java solution. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more coding content. Let's jump right in. So the problem goes like this. Given an integer array digits where each element is a digit. The array may contain duplicates. But here's the catch being given over here. You need to find all the unique integers that follow the given requirements. The integer consists of the concatenation of three elements from digits in any arbitrary order. The integer does not have leading zeros. The integer is even. For example, if the given digits were 1, 2, 3, integers 1, 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2 follow the requirements. Return a sorted array of the unique integers. To understand this question with the help of various examples. So in example 1, as you can see here, input has been given as 2130. This actual array being given as 2130, and the output is 102, 120, 130, 132, 210, 230, 302, 310, 312, 320. How is it so? Because if you have seen this array, you can see very clearly that there is at least one element in the array which is an even number, and the number is 2 and 0, not 0, sorry, 2 itself. So using number 2, which is an even integer, we can create various numbers in the given array. And also it should be noticed that there are no odd integers or integers with leading zeros. Another example is this time with 2, 2, 8, 8, 2. Here as you can see in this array that all the elements are even integers themselves. So the output goes like 2, triple 2, double 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 2, double 8, 8, double 2, 8, 2, 8, double 8, 2. So the same digit can be used as many times as it appears in digits. And you can see in various elements digit 8 is being used twice each time in 288, 828 and 882. However, there is one contradiction in a third example. Digit says 375, three elements in array with no even integers, all integers are odd numbers, and the output is blank array. And the reason, no even integers can be formed using the given integers. So in case there are no even integers in a given array, then no digits will be concatenated among themselves to create new numbers. So that's the factor. Now the question arises, which logic should be used to solve this given question? For this, we need to form numbers from 100 to 998, incrementing by 2, since it must be even. And secondly, for each candidate number, we convert it into digits and check if those digits exist in the input without exceeding the frequency. We can also use a frequency count of the input digits to compare. Now let's look at a Java code now. So yes, as you have seen that all the test cases have been passed successfully, and the solution is now complete without any flaw. So let's break down each and every explanation of the given of the code I solved out. So first of all, we count out the digits using f variable. For each number from 100 to 998, we split the number into digits. Check if all the digits are available in the array. If yes, we add it to the result. This solution runs efficiently and avoids generating all permutations unnecessarily. And therefore, this code follows time complexity and space complexities of we go in and we go on respectively. So that's how we solved the finding three digits even numbers problem on Leetcode. If you enjoyed this explanation, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Comment below with your favorite approach or if you have questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.